have some folks that are specialized and some folks that are more generalist. And also, ideally, a variety of different levels of experience. So I think in a perfect world, I would have my more senior talent be more specialized. So let's say I have a certain product area where a senior staff backend specialist is really going to move the needle. They're going to be really independent. They're going to have a vision for where we need to go. They can even mentor people beneath them. That's where I look to have expertise. On the other side as well, let's say I think it depends on your team organization. Maybe you want to have embedded SREs, data engineers, or maybe those are on separate teams. Either way, those folks should probably be also relatively specialized and senior, but with the intention of enabling the rest of the team to move quickly and independently. But when you're looking at a specific project, yes, maybe you need a certain skill set for initial implementation, but also think about how will I use them in the maintenance phase or on the next project that might look the same. And then you can kind of think through, should this be a full-time employee that we're bringing on? How am I going to position them on the team?
I think smart people who have emotional intelligence, are good communicators, I think those skills will still be up there, will still be incredibly important in many, many years from now. Despite all the advancement in AI, we're still going to think people who are super smart and who can get things done really, really well, despite of the tools that there are around them.
Okay, great. You found these people who can cope with change. Getting them to stay and be supported is also important. And so I think investing in great engineering leadership that can facilitate that psychological safety, can facilitate that space for learning and make sure they see where they fit in to that vision and can see how they can grow with it. That's extremely important.